How to set up auto payments parent edition. Welcome to this training video on setting up childcare payments. First, ensure you are logged into the ChildFriendly Parent app and tap on the menu tab at the bottom. Next, select Payment Info. To link your bank account for automatic debit payments, input the necessary details like your bank's name, institution, transit, and account numbers. Then tick the box that permits auto withdrawal of any pending fees. This setup lets your center automatically handle monthly tuition and fees through pre-authorized debit, eliminating the hassle of manual payments and avoiding late fees. Don't forget to click Save once your details are entered. To use a credit card for payments, first verify if your center accepts credit cards. If they do, enter your card information and set up auto payments just like you did with the bank details. You've now completed the payment setup for tuition fees. Remember, you can always return to this section to update your payment information whenever necessary.